Zoho was the first analytics tool that we have used, and we found it to be so simple and easy to use that we have not looked at any other option henceforth. My name is Kushal, and I am the founder of Lotus Petal Foundation. Lotus Petal Foundation provides opportunities of food, education and healthcare to children from less privileged backgrounds. One of the cornerstones of the work which Lotus Petal Foundation does is transparency. And we wanted to give complete transparency to our donors in terms of how their money is being utilized and what is the impact which it is creating. In order to do so in a transparent manner and to do it on a real-time basis, we needed to use some analytics software, and that is where we found Zoho Analytics to be extremely useful, and we have been able to communicate the impact of our work to our donor base in a very effective and transparent manner using Zoho Analytics. Earlier we were using Excel sheets to make the various charts and dashboards for our work. We chanced upon Zoho Analytics after seeing an advertisement in the social media, and once we started to use Zoho, we found it to be extremely simple, cost-effective and easy to train the staff with. Now we store the data in Google Drive, so it is stored in the cloud, and from there it is connected into the Zoho Analytics and into the dashboards. Zoho Analytics has had a tremendous impact on our work. We are able to identify the gaps in our program implementation. For example, if there is a shortfall in the kilocalorie or the protein intake for the child, we can come to know about it in real time, which we were not able to do earlier. So this has made the programs more effective. In case we like to find out that which child's documentation is not complete, we can go to the dashboard and identify which child is not having the complete documentation. So this has helped to bring in better effectiveness of our programs. At the same time, our donor sitting anywhere in the world can actually come to our dashboard and see how their money is impacting our work. This has been the big impact we have had using Zoho Analytics. In terms of the costs, Zoho Analytics has helped us to provide this kind of transparency and communication of our work, our performance metrics to our donors and also to our staff members at an extremely low cost. Doing this otherwise using Excel sheets and manual work would have costed a lot of money. On a very broad estimate, I can say that the return of investment on Zoho Analytics is close to 100%. In terms of our future plans, we plan to build upon the Zoho platform. We have already subscribed to Zoho Expense, through which we are managing entire fund utilization for our donors. And in future, we plan to also get the Zoho HR for managing the entire people function of Lotus Petal Foundation. Zoho Analytics and Lotus Petal Foundation is truly making a difference. Together, we are changing the world one child at a time.